Right, okay. This is a video to show you a technique that we use in our guides sometimes, which is adjusting the difference between a set amount of wind and the wind that you get. So you'll see on the instruction box on this particular shot, if you see this instruction, says adjust with the wind, the difference you get, the difference between 19 and the wind you get at P5 max plus 10. So just keep your eye on that. I'm just going to move that over to the side. I'm going to slide in notebook. So P5 max plus 10, which is on the instruction. Pick the account where I've got the Apocalypse level 8 because I'm going to show you the shot in a minute. So set the wind to 0, and this is saying adjust with the wind, not the normal way, so it's with the wind, the difference between 19.0 and the wind you get. So if you get 17.5 wind when the game opens, what you need to do is quickly add in the difference between 17.5 and 19, which is 1.5. So we need to add in 1.5 into notebook. And what that will do is give us an output number right here of 1.6. So you'll see P5 max, so the maximum number, P5 plus 10, 1.5 is the difference between 19 and the wind that you get, which in this instance is 17.5. So adjusting the difference between is very important in our guide program. We do use it quite a bit. So moving on to the shot, what we're going to do is find the position in the guide. So find that position right there, showing on the map where we're going to aim. We're going to check the wind angle afterwards, so looking at the arrows and seeing exactly which angle we get. But basically adjusting with the wind, and if you remember the number 1.6, what I'm going to do is I'm going to push with the wind, so the same direction as the wind, and I'm going to push up 1.5 rings like that. So there's the push up, 1.5 rings. Let it fall to rest. Set the spins depending on the wind angle. You see, I'm just swapping out balls there, but setting the spin depending on the wind angle, and then playing the rest of the shot as per the guide. And we do get the desired result on this one. Very successful shot this week. But that's basically how to adjust with the wind the difference between. So we do use that method quite often, either with the wind or the normal way, but the main thing I'm trying to show you is to adjust the difference between a set wind and the wind that you get. And basically what that does is it's a quick way of getting to your desired position. So really what that actually makes, what that actually cuts out on is finding a set position sort of over here, and then adjusting P5 plus 10 and then pushing back up to max. So what we sometimes do is get the position after adjusting, and then looking at the wind angle tweaks and setting spins and curls and whatever accordingly. So just an idea of how to use our guide shots when it says adjust the difference between a set wind and the wind you get.